Hello everyone, this is Crypto Nook back with another episode of some news and what's going on in the crypto world. Coin market cap at $119 billion. Bitcoin is in red, it's down 0.4%. Had a retraction yesterday, but most of the market is in red with a few exceptions. XRP, Litecoin, Cardano, Tron. Tron's got a good day, 5% up. When everything else is in red. So Trump just had the Tron convention a few days ago. We'll read a little bit about the news of what happened during the convention. Actually, let's go to that one first. Tron CEO Justin Sun wants to prove crypto is not a scam and hires former SEC official. We heard this news a couple days ago. This is 4 hours ago, and it's just very interesting what it says here. So, Justin Sun, I fully embrace regulation. We are ready to fully embrace regulation here, Sun told VentureBeat. We have just hired our first head of compliance, who previously worked at the SEC for almost 8 years. We want to make sure we are fully regulated not only in the US but in China, Korea, and Japan in the future. Blockchain is like a new operating system. We believe the world will need to embrace the blockchain, and we are very optimistic about how it will be regulated. The SEC, I think, also sees the blockchain as a good opportunity for innovation in the United States. I'm hoping that this year the SEC will license and regulate coin-based exchanges. This year will be the year of regulation, and that's something we definitely need. So here what it says, you're going to see it here, it says Tron. Sun made his remark at the Tron Summit in San Francisco on January 18th, and then he shared a picture with Kobe Bryant, which was one of the guests at the conference, with the Tron mascot and the Lakers uniform. Tron has been very, very, very bullish in the past few days. And it's been working its way up percentage-wise, right? I mean, it's been going up. If you look at the 7-day chart, probably it's up a good percent. Another article, why crypto is en route to the longest bear market in history, and it says what is triggering the crypto bear market to extend across 2019. So in 2017, the cryptocurrency sector experienced its greatest ever bull market. Bitcoin price surged from less than $1,000 to $20,000 at its peak, while other major crypto assets in the likes of Ethereum and Ripple recorded 200-fold gains within a 12-month period. Prior to December 2017, when the cryptocurrency market achieved an all-time high valuation of over $800 billion, Ethereum co-creator Vitalik Buterin suggested that the evaluation of the market is not sustainable due to the lack of progress made by both blockchain-based protocols and decentralized applications, or dApps. And that's completely a true statement. Since then, the evaluation of the cryptocurrency market has fallen from $500 billion to $119 billion by well over 76.2% from its all-time high. The cryptocurrency market dropped by 85%. So that's a big drop. That's, expected. I mean, we can expect to have a bull run like we had, from $1,000 to $20,000 Bitcoin, and then expect that it's going to stay at that level. It's not sustainable. The recent crypto bear market is likely going to be the longest correction in its history because of the levels of awareness and class gains at its peak in 2017. Many retail investors and individual traders entered the cryptocurrency sector at the highest point of the recorded substantial losses in a short period. Vinny Lingham, a venture capital investor and CEO of Civic, said that it may take a long time for investors to psychologically recover from the bear market, which may contribute to the time frame of correction throughout 2019. In November 2018, Lingham stated, I think it will stay in the range between $3,000 to $5,000 at least for 3 to 6 months. I don't think we break through the support level of 3,000 just yet. I think this is a there is a lot of buying in the short term around the mark. If we don't get out of the crypto bear market throughout, between these 3 to 6 months, the 3,000 level could go. And I agree with that statement as well. Well, let's read a little bit of happier news. Ripple partners SBI invests $15 million to expand crypto ecosystem to mass adoption. So Japanese investment giant and Ripple partner SBI Holdings has invested $15 million in the blockchain smart card wallet producer Tangem through this subsidiary SBI Crypto Holdings Limited. So the Swiss-based fintech company Tangem introduced a smart banknote for digital assets last May. Built for its world's first physical manifestation of digital assets, Tangem notes allow users to carry crypto or any other digital assets by enabling off-chain physical transactions that give crypto a cash-like quality. Like cash, a note is controlled by the person who holds it. By handling over the physical card, transactions are immediately validated and completed with zero fees. The first million Tangem notes entered in circulation in 2018, with a wider rollout planned for this year through vending machines, ATMs, money exchangers, and more other outlets. So that is good to see. That's good to see that we can use crypto just like you would use cash. Instead of having as cash as paper cash, you have it on a card, and then you can pay for whatever it is that you're buying with zero fees. Zero transaction fees or zero fees at all. That's just like if you have $100 worth of Ripple in that card and you could use it at your grocery store, you could go and spend it without being charged dime, just like if you were using cash. Says Yoshitaka Kitao, Representative Director, President, and CEO of SBI. The Tangem hardware wallet, which is highly secure and affordable, is an important tool to promote mass adoption of digital assets and blockchain. We believe utilizing Tangem will help stimulate the demand for other blockchains services provided by SBI. That's good news. Another one from Ripple. On Thursday, Ripple Chief Technology Officer David Schwartz will speak at a blockchain conference hosted by Harvard's Center for Mathematical Sciences and Applications. The conference is covering a wide range of blockchain-related topics, from cryptography, game theory, graph theory, and theoretical computer science, to concrete applications like accounting, governments, economics, finance, management, and medicine. And it says Schwartz will deliver his upcoming presentation entitled The Future of Digital Currency, Building the Internet of Value. You can check out the full lineup here, and I went ahead and clicked on it to see who was on that conference. And there's nobody that I know from by name, but I see the universities and institutions that they belong to. So you have Princeton, Stanford, MIT, R3, which is one of the partners with Ripple, University of Chicago, Boston University, Harvard Kennedy School, Cornell. Of course, you have David Schwartz from Ripple, and it's very prestigious way or place to go and present your papers and your information. Good to see from Ripple. Another one, crypto mogul Bitcoin will beat gold's $7 trillion market cap plus Ripple and XRP news. Okay, so what I saw this was he's talking about the twins, the Winkle what do they call? Let me see if I can find their name here. It should be in the article. The twins owners of the U.S. exchange Gemini are standing by their bullish outlook on Bitcoin despite the bear market. In an Ask Me Anything on Reddit, crypto mogul Tyler Winklevoss, who runs Gemini with his twin brother Cameron, said he believes Bitcoin is well on its path towards surpassing gold's market cap of more than 7 trillion. Our thesis around Bitcoin, that's on a quote from one of them, from Tyler. Our thesis around Bitcoin's upside remains unchanged. We believe Bitcoin is better than being gold than gold. If we are right, then over the time of market cap of Bitcoin will surpass the $7 trillion market cap. So if Bitcoin's market cap surpasses gold, one BTC will be worth about $333,000. With one Bitcoin supply being only 21 million per certification. Good to see also from them. And that's pretty much it. That's a short video. I just didn't want to take too much out of your time. I do want to say a couple things. Thank you to CryptoDad for always being there and being on the comments, being positive, being a good member of the community, helping everybody else out. And also, I want to say thank you to the digital asset investor. He mentioned one of the videos I had on Twitter, and my Twitter blew up that day. I think I had like 100 people following me on that one day. I really appreciate the looking out and mention me on your video. Well, with that being said, please like, comment, subscribe, share, and you guys have a great day.